The United Kingdom has abstained on today's resolution. The United Kingdom has done so not because we do not support the central findings of the ICJ's advisory opinion, but rather because the resolution does not provide sufficient clarity to effectively advance our shared aim of a peace premised on a negotiated two-state solution, a safe and secure Israel alongside a safe and secure Palestinian state. As a state committed to the international rule of law, we respect the court and call for states to unite around renewed efforts towards a negotiated settlement in accordance with international law and the relevant resolutions of the Security Council. We stand ready to work with other member states on future resolutions before the General Assembly and in the Security Council, seeking to fashion a broad consensus on the way forward with re-energized determination to accelerate the path to peace. While our abstention reflects our unwavering determination to focus on efforts to bring about a peaceful and negotiated two-state solution, the United Kingdom aims, by this statement, to indicate our clear view that Israel should bring an end to its presence in the occupied Palestinian territories as rapidly as possible, and every effort must be made to create the conditions for negotiations which provide for a sovereign, viable and free Palestine alongside a safe, secure and free Israel, recognizing the security concerns and right to self-defense of each one. We must also work towards the reunification of the West Bank, including East Jerusalem and Gaza, in line with 1967 borders and under the effective control of the Palestinian Authority, as a fundamental step towards a two-state solution. Turning now to address settlements in particular, the United Kingdom is gravely concerned by Israel's continued actions which undermine prospects for peace. Expansion of settlements in clear violation of international law must cease immediately. There have been unprecedented levels of violence by extremist settlers over the past year. We have witnessed with grave concern how an increasing number of residents of illegal Israeli settlements and outposts have systematically used harassment, intimidation, and violence to put pressure on Palestinian communities to leave their land. We call on Israel to hold those responsible to account. Alongside our partners, the UK has imposed sanctions on individuals and entities responsible for these acts. We continue to track closely these acts of violence and, where appropriate, the UK will seek to extend sanctions. We are clear. Any efforts to change the geographic or demographic makeup of the occupied Palestinian territories through force and outside a negotiated settlement are illegal. President, the situation in Gaza continues to subject Palestinian civilians to horrendous suffering, and over 100 hostages remain held by Hamas in abhorrent conditions. We need to see an immediate ceasefire in Gaza and the release of the hostages. We will continue to work urgently to help bring peace and galvanize a political process towards a two-state solution which provides long-term peace and security for both Israelis and Palestinians alike. I thank you.